नमस्ते बेटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself Jevin Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss about homeopathic therapeutics of mouth ulcers. Introduction. Homeopathic mode of treatment is highly effective for both acute and chronic mouth ulcers. Homeopathic medicine helps soothe the pain, burning sensation, inflammation in mouth ulcer as well as healing of mouth ulcers. Homeopathic medicine also work best in eradication the tendency of recurrent mouth ulcers. Homeopathic medicine that are clinically proven to give good treatment for mouth ulcers are Merc-Sol, Borax, nitric acid and arsenic album. So let's start with Merc-Sol. It is a top homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcer, indicated for ulcers on the tongue, inside of cheek and on the gums. The ulcers are white colored and underlined borders surrounded by a dark margin. Along with ulcer, a sweet metallic taste in the mouth and increased production of saliva may be present. Offensive odor from the mouth may also be noticed. These symptoms may be accompanied by increased thirst for large quantity of water, and one more characteristic of Merc-Sol is that there is hypersalivation in the mouth. Next medicine is Borax, homeopathic medicine for tender mouth ulcers. Borax is an excellent homeopathic medicine that is used to treat aphthous ulcer in the mouth, tongue and inside the cheeks. Aphthous Aphthy are extremely tender and can cause a feeling of heat in the mouth. The mouth ulcers are extremely sore and painful to touch. Borax is also one of the majorly indicated homeopathic medicine for aphthy that occur after taking sour and salty food. Sometimes the ulcer may also bleed on touch or while eating. Borax is also helpful for mouth ulcers in children that are very tender and preventive and prevent them from nursing. It is also recommended for old people who are who use dentures and develop mouth ulcer as a result. Another medicine, arsenic album. This is homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcer with burning pain. Arsenic alb is an homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcer that cause a burning pain. There may be dryness in the mouth and an unusual craving for warm drinks along with metallic taste in the mouth. Then nitric acid is a homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcer on soft palate. For ulcer present on soft palate, homeopathic medicine nitric acid is recommended. Ulcers on soft palate may cause peculiar sharp splinter-like pains. The ulcer may have irregular zigzag edges and produce a putrid odor. The pain gets worse from contact. Then other important homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcers are like Lachesis is a medicine for mouth ulcer that is indicated for aphthous ulcer in the mouth with a sensation of burning and rawness. Along with the ulcer, a coppery, peppery or sour taste in the mouth may also be present. Hydrastis is indicated for ulcers on the tongue along with a scalded feeling. Fissure on the edges of the tongue may also be present. Then Kali iod is homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcers that are white in color and look as if they are coated with milk. In my personal practice, I have received very good result in mouth ulcers by using Kali chloratum. This is an important homeopathic medicine and it can symptomatically relieve the symptoms of mouth ulcer very quickly, and it should be used in biochemic form. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.